Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm gonna make my husband a little brunch or breakfast, whichever way you see it. And I'm gonna make him some jerk shrimp and grits my way with some boiled eggs. So let's get into it. These are my ingredients right here. I have my eggs, shrimp, quick cooking grits, butter, tomatoes, onion, and over here I have this jerk marinade that I made from scratch. I'll be sure to link that down in my description box. This is how I boil my eggs. I put it down in a pot and cover it with cool water and put it on the stove. So this is the jerk marinade I made the other day. I used this on chicken, so it's gonna be amazing on the shrimp. So now let's start on the grits. That's my milk and water. I'm gonna add the grits. I'm keeping this very simple, you guys. I'm not doing too much to it at all because it's more than enough going on with the shrimp and you don't wanna over season your food. So after the eggs come to a boil, I take it directly off the stove, cover it, and allow it to steam and cook. So season the grits. It looks just like this. And it's pretty much done. I'm gonna add some cheese. You can add the cheese you prefer. I added Monterey Jack and mix it up and just leave it on the warm setting on your stove until we make the shrimp. Alright, so now I'm gonna saute my onions and my tomatoes. The tomatoes are more so to add body to the sauce as well as color and flavor, of course. As you're gonna see here, I'm not gonna add seasoning to this because again, the jerk marinade is spot on. And if you saw my previous video where I used this jerk marinade, you know what's good. So please, if you use my recipe, just don't add salt and pepper. You won't need it. This has more than enough heat and more than enough flavor to flavor the shrimp and everything else. So you want to add it just like this. And the minute it hit the skillet, like I cannot, the minute it hits the skillet, it just smells so aromatic. And then I'm going to add a little bit more as well as the shrimp. I don't have a lot of shrimp, you guys. I did say I'm cooking for my husband and not myself and him. I am allergic to all shellfish, which is another reason why I cook the sauce first so I can taste it before I added the shrimp. But look how amazing this looks, and it was so easy to make. And so I'm just going to plate it up. In this bowl, I added the grits. I'm gonna sprinkle on a little more cheese, just like this. Add the shrimp and the sauce. You guys, this looks so good. I wish I could eat it. It makes me sad every time, but it is what it is. And this is the completed dish, you guys. The eggs are perfectly cooked and just ready to go. It's cheesy, it's delicious, it's savory, it's spicy. It's just so delicious from what I know when I tasted the sauce. So I know it's good. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye y'all.